Hello again, YouTube. Brian again here with another balloon tutorial. This one is going to be an Angry Bird hat. Now, I have to admit, this one I haven't even made for anyone besides myself yet, but I think it's a cool idea and I think it looks really great, so I want you guys to see it. I saw a hat on BHQ, or not, it wasn't even a hat, it was just an Angry Bird by, I think her name was Peggy Walker, and it reminded me of a Patricia Bonnell style hat, and that you can make an Angry Bird into. And here you go. And also want to thank Don Caldwell for the eye idea here. But so what you do is you measure out a head, create a basic helmet. But what you want to do, for a child this will work, and for an adult it'll work if you stretch the balloon really well, but you want to leave a good amount, because what we're going to do is we're going to come into the middle of the helmet here, like so. And then we're going to come up on the arch part a little bit, twist off a 4-inch bubble, knead it back up with the other bubble like so, and then hopefully have enough left over to squeeze a little tuft of hair on the top of the bird right there. So this is the basic hat idea. What you're going to do next is take a white 260, don't need much of it, twist it right into the crease right there where to come out. We're going to come up to the loop on the top, back down to the V where they all meet up, break it off, tie it off, like that. Next thing you're going to do is take a 160. We're going to make 2 little bubbles in the 160. I'm sorry, I got a black shirt on, you can't see. 2 little bubbles in the 160, pinch twist them. And what we're going to do is thread them right between the eyes like that. Thread it right through the center. Now, this you want to pull tight, come up to the top, wrap it down around the eyeballs once, and back down to the bottom and tie it in. Just wrap it in there at the bottom. And what that does, it just makes the eyeballs sit in there nice and tight right in the middle. You can see that right there. Now, take a yellow 260, small loop, maybe 2-3 finger loop, another small loop, 2-3 fingers, 3-finger bubble, 2-finger bubble, lock twist them back together just like, so you get something like this, break it off, use the end to tie it into the base, like so. Now I know what everybody's thinking, it kind of looks like a rooster or a chicken, but we're going to get there with the Angry Bird. What you're going to do now is take a scrap piece of black 160 here, leave a little bit of a tail on it so you can have a tie point, and what you're going to do is make a soft 5-inch bubble, 5-finger bubble, and another soft 5-finger bubble, break off the rest, and tie it. So you get something like this, split into 2. And what we're going to do with this, let's see if I can do it backwards here, is we're going to take the 2 split pieces, we're going to go under the eyes, and now we're going to wrap it back in to the top, that tuft of hair that we put on top. And we're going to do, I'm going to do it this way to make it a little faster. We're going to wrap it around, back in to the tuft of hair on top. And that's going to give you you can see the Angry Bird eyebrows. Let's see if I can get this right. Yep, just like that. You shape them a little bit, make sure they stick down in there, but it gives you that nice Angry Bird look, if you can see. Now, you could quit like that and just hand it out like that. Boop, Angry Bird hat. But if you want to go a little further, you can take a white 350 or a 260, bring it right into that base of the bird, right under the jaw, twist it in, kind of match the size of that red bubble. That'll give you the hat size again. Come back to the back. Again, match kind of that hat, the bottom of the hat size. Back to the back. Break it. Break it. Don't lose. Try not to lose that, but it's alright. Tie them off. Lock it back in there if you lose it. To the back of the hat. So now you can see you get the bottom part of the Angry Bird. Oops, I'm turning it the wrong way. Still will go on the head. Still will fit. Now, I mean, if you want to go farther, you could add a couple of extra tufts on top for those. I guess my kids call them the wings, or right up on the top there, just to give it that little extra tuft of hair. You can see, just like that. And heck, if you want to do that, you can take a black, the rest of the black that you have left over, make a few loops, and lock those in at the back of the bird too, where the black is in the back. Kind of something like that. Sorry, my black shirt again. But you can see, you get a very cool looking face of an Angry Bird hat. I think it does a pretty good job representing the Angry Birds. And there you go. Little Angry Bird hat. Hope you guys like it. Hope you can use it. Thank you.